Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the GLACIER Fresh Replacement for RPWFE and RPWF Refrigerator Water Filter, a top-notch solution for ensuring clean and great-tasting water straight from your fridge. This filter, equipped with a built-in chip, has been rigorously tested and verified by independent laboratories to effectively remove chemicals and contaminants, leaving you with water that's not only clean but also smells fresh. Its premium filtration capabilities boast excellent adsorption performance, ensuring no carbon powder is released during use, and it effectively reduces heavy metals, cadmium, sediment, residual chlorine, and odors while preserving beneficial minerals. Compatible with a wide range of GE French door refrigerators, including models like GFE28GYNFS, PFE28KELDS, and GFD28GELDS. This filter is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen routine. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace the filter every 6 months or after filtering 300 gallons of water, ensuring you always have access to high-quality water. Whether you're using it in your home or office, the GLACIER Fresh Filter is a reliable choice for maintaining the purity of your drinking water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.